What's going on, you guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital. Sorry, I don't know what happened with the live button, but we're live. It's 10 a.m. and we've got a lot of stuff to talk about. I got my chat up already, so we can simply just post that. We can just post the link to our stream in our Discord group, and then we're good to go. We already have got a boatload of tabs open. So, good morning, everybody. Make sure to hit that like button. Already 19 likes. That's what I like to see.
Okay, so being a trader can really...
Whoa. Good morning, Carlton. Good morning, Darian. Good morning, Jose. All right. Discord. Come on. Oh, my goodness. So how's everybody this morning? We're looking closely at Aphria Health and alkaline water today. I'm super excited. We're live. Oh, shoot. There we go. Holy smokes. What's up, Harrison? What's up, DG Slots? Scooter Magooter. Tell us something good. Carlos Lopez. Let's get that money. Matthew Francis. Good morning, Doug. Yes, it's the right button today. Okay, so I've got two buttons. They look exactly the same. And when you hit the cash button to start the day, hopefully that's a good sign. So I did see the futures green. I just got set up. Oh, we're seeing a big rally today. 1% rally. Holy smokes. I don't know why chat's not working on this phone. It's pretty lame. I like to use chat on my phone. It's easy to answer the comments. It's like my comment counter. There we go. Good morning, Scott. Hiro Naka, what's up? I haven't drank any tea yet. So you're right on time with that. You're right on time with that. Look at this. Look at the green tinge to this tea. It's a nice light one. I've got 2 bags of matcha tea bags in there. So not too strong today, although wow, that's hot. Okay, that was a bad idea. We'll let it cool down and get into the portfolio. Yes, sir. Tea time there. You guys are too much. This song sucks, and it's really confusing. Oh, wait a second. All right. So where's the weed stock portfolio? One more over. There we go. Perfect. Good morning. Can you play recording of Cron earnings? I missed it, or tell anything significant about it. I don't know what it was, but I wasn't feeling it. It was just kind of weird. Oh my gosh. Oscan's finally exploding. I was talking about this. I've been talking about this stock for the longest time. It's just a matter of how low can it go. Did they get bought out though? Why is the stock up 17%? Let's take a quick look. Who's been buying Oscan Group Holdings? No, there's not really much news on the company. Let's check the rally and see why it's a rally on heavy volume. Wow, this guy on the sax is going crazy. Sax solo. What's up, Brownie? Yo, we're seeing a huge move in Oscan. Oscan has sold like... We went from 30 cents to 40 cents in a couple short days. Interesting. First, I'm going to read this article about Wall Street. Wall Street rebounds on tech stocks. Wall Street rallied on Tuesday as Stocks rebounded after steep declines in prior 2 sessions as a rise in technology stocks helped lift sentiment. What's the reason for the rally, though? The market was hit in prior sessions as the Fed extended its rate pause and the yield curve on the benchmark rate fell. The fact that markets were beaten up so much on Friday, people were looking at the yield curve and the stock market selling off and thought things were getting weaker, but the panic may have passed. So this is a rally on pretty much nothing. The growth worries were probably a little overdone, but that is certainly going to be an ongoing concern. I love how the market goes up for 2 months. Like, it goes up like almost 15%. We have one red day. It's the end of the world. The markets are super cheap after that less than 2% pullback. It's a joke. Anywho, you say crunching these stocks, eh? Can we check out T-God? Trying to, hello, VRS, but peace call, yo, DG, you gotta make a YouTube channel. We'll take a look at VRUS. Or sorry, TRUS, VRUS. I'll look at that for you, DG stocks. Wow, yeah, you're right, man. I know you talked about this stock. I did call it a virus. I was like, what's up with this? But no, the stock's been crazy, obviously. ACB buy or hold, BGRD. BGRD is an interesting one. I'll take a look at that. I haven't looked at that in a little while. Brain grid. ACB's a hold. If you have news on the stock, DG stocks, please feel free to drop that news. I'll approve your comment. Damn, BGRD's down 14 cents. At this point, I'd wait to like 12.50 to see what happens. We'll look at the whole weed stock portfolio in just 1 second. I just want to see. I'm assuming it's in the. See? Wow, we're not even getting a rally for water. Tough one. And then a Leafy Health. I'm going to try and be a man of my word, as I said. Leafy Health and water. Leafy Health around $2. Water around $3.40. I'll look to take a small position today. See what I can free up. So those are the trades for the day. No big trades I'm planned to do, but I would like to add a Leafy Health and water. Although I think this rally today is fueled by absolutely nothing. At least have an excuse. There's trade war updates. What's this crap? Sorry, guys. My music's questionable these days. Thanks. Exactly. We'll come down by midday. Yeah, this rally is kind of a joke. Like, tech stocks rebound as the news wasn't as bad as they thought it was. Like, I mean, it shows strength in the market, but still, come on, like, free vlog music here. We're gonna start this playlist from the beginning, see what happens. Okay. I just like to have something playing in the background. Wow, already 94 people, guys. Hit that like button, hit that thumbs up. There's buying power, but no real reason to buy. Kramer says markets are good. I'm expecting a market reverse around 10:30. Another call, A. Okay, how about this? DG stocks. Every stock you pick out from now on, we're going to look at it the second you talk about it. So, talk about it, and I will look at it ASAP. But anyways, I want to see what's going on here. So, Liberty Leaf, Evenco, Tilt Holdings. Ooh, Tilt's making a nice run back up to $3. This is a tough one. I just bought some Tilt, and we're definitely in the green on it. I may sell half of it and buy water and Aphria Health. Still deciding, but water looks not very strong right now. Back off Kramer, man. Are you telling me to back off Kramer? Or are you telling Kramer to back off? David. Hexo. Flower 1. I'll give you a sec to answer. Smart Cannabis. Yeah, the entire watch list is in the green. We didn't check the last though, the ending part. We do have a few stocks in the red. GLH, Cali, Alternative Health, Curon Life Sciences. But if you meant back off of Kramer, Kramer actually inspired me to start my YouTube channel / Market Minute Show. So that's, yeah. No hate against Kramer. Morning man, my coffee cup is literally 10 times bigger than yours. Yeah, I know. It's kind of a thing with the channel. We do shots of tea. This is a little teacup from China. David, I can't tell if you're being sarcastic or not, but it's all good. Yeah. Thanks, man. Yo, I've got two of these little guys, and I got a little kettle too. I'll grab it in one sec, but I just want to finish looking at a few things. Crops flat. Tilray, not doing too much. Tilray hasn't been doing too much at all. Pinky finger out when you sip, that's right. I don't know, it goes up, you know? So, oh, T-God's back to, oh man, $4.92, not $5 yet. That's one that I wish I could get rid of. T-God. Not that I don't like T-God, but I'd rather own a few different ones outside of that, like grower. I believe in T-God, FYI, and I own the stock, but I'd rather sell my T-God and get into Alkaline and Aphria. Aphria's in the green, Aurora's in the green, not by much though, almost 1%. Oxy's in the green. Considering taking some profits on Oxley. I'm happy that trade worked out. I bought it at 85 cents. Didn't get it at the bottom. Yo, that tripped me out. There's someone vacuuming. Holy crap. That was scary. I was like, who the hell is this? 48 North, not doing too much. ISODIOL's been holding up pretty well. IAPR bouncing back. Future Farm Tech. That's an interesting one. We'll take a look at the charts for that. What's up, Max? I swear did I send you a message? Yeah, I just sent you a message. Okay, oh shoot, why did I turn off my phone? Medmen's having a nice run, guys. We're at 460 almost. But I don't want to take profit on MedMen. I do want to buy water though. Smash that like button. See if we can get this stream to like 100 and a few more people. I'm testing out new thumbnails and stuff. I just want to ask you guys quickly, what do you think about the thumbnail for this? It's just 3 symbols. Trying to change it up a little bit. I might buy some RNX. FFT's a joke. James Wagner Corporation. We'll take a look at that. Oh. IGNG. Soon folks will be typing SCNA. SCNA. All right, let's see SCNA. Ooh, thanks for those extra likes, guys. Next year, FSD will be gold. Dougie's super bullish on FSD. Last night I got 5 hours of sleep. 5.5 hours of sleep. I hit the gym pretty hard. So, been hitting the gym very hard recently. Village Farms International. What's up, Josh? Thanks for tuning in. I'll take a look at that in a second. I'm excited to look at my other portfolios too, though. Yo, Steve. What's up? 100 push-ups a day. Everybody in here. Get off those charts and do some push-ups. Midday. We're getting a little bit hyped up. Okay, perfect. So, got 1,001 tabs though to close. Look at this crap. Okay, 1 second, guys. Whatever, it's all good. I just want to look at a few companies real quick, and then we'll take a look at some other stuff. A big dab of CBD. ACB just got a new Shush. ACB just got a new CFO. Did they? Let's look at James E. Wagner. JWCA. That's the American side. No problem. Almost back up to $1. This one's looking pretty good. Yeah, that looks like a nice run for James E. Wagner. I could definitely see it going higher if the rally continues. Charts look pretty good. Low volume pullback. We're seeing higher highs. Hopefully we can make another high of like $1.14 soon. Good morning, Jose. iZircon. What's your thoughts on IMG? I hope. I've followed I've looked at IM Gold for a while. It's been one of the more stable gold and mining stocks, honestly, over the last little while. Let me take a quick look at a few things here. $2.3 billion market cap. I just want to look at the company portfolio. Gold mining company's portfolio operating gold mines including the Rosabelle Gold Mine, Esake Gold Mine, Burkina Faso. Someone just got killed in Burkina Faso. West Gold Mine in Canada, Sadiola Gold Mine, Mali, and so it's got a bunch of exposure to Africa, which is not necessarily a bad thing. South America, northeastern Burkina Faso, West Africa. Quebec, Mali, West Africa, Senegal. So, what's up, Josh? What's up? Thank you for tuning in. We're just taking a look at a couple of different companies. I'm actually going to add IMG to the list. I've watched it a bunch of times. I just don't watch it that closely because I don't own it. But let me just quickly put that on our watch list. So thank you for hitting that like button, guys. The viewership keeps going up, and it's awesome. So thanks for supporting. Thank you for supporting Departures Capital. Let's see here. Let's see here. Just gonna build. We're just gonna build up on those watch lists. I actually want to research some good gold ETFs as well. For any guys new looking to get into the gold sector, I feel like it can be kind of a daunting task to just pick gold miners. Can America brands? What the heck is this? What a piece of crap tab. Sorry. Come on, man. Can America's been pretty volatile. It's an interesting one. It's tea time. All right, so we should be seeing some kind of, see, that's one thing that I've been noticing, guys. I know this is like a little bit off topic, but we are talking about the markets. So every time the market rallies, we're seeing the utility sector rally. We're seeing the utility sector in the green. I remember when the markets used to rally, the utility sector would actually sell off, which means investors were going into riskier stuff. But Atlantic Power, TransAlta, a lot of these stocks are in the green, which makes me feel like it's a rally, but not really. And then, of course, we're seeing some of the gold miners sell off. RNX is the biggest decliner on the day, but not much of a pullback for the miners. I mean, we're talking 1% here. Most of these stocks ran about 3 to 4 to 5% yesterday. We're seeing Barrick sell off 0.4%. Like, that's nothing. I could see these stocks, bam, go right back into the green later on in the day. So we'll see. What's up, Mike? Jill De Silva, my bet is before the end of March, we'll get some awesome news for ACB. I really hope so. Really, really do hope so. So we'll also look at the charts for RNX, but I'm just skimming through some of these other portfolios. I haven't looked at crypto miners in a while. Not much going on there. Although Nvidia is up 3%. Commodity banks. Bank stocks should make some kind of a recovery. Been crap recently. Quick flips. Okay, guys, back to the cannabis sector. Just got on. Did I miss anything? Nope, not really. We're just reviewing things, taking a look at the watch list. Here comes ACB weed in the red. You think so? Canopy's in the red, down 0.6%. Where is Aurora? Just barely 1 cent in the green. Okay, so like the past few days, going to become an FSC millionaire in 2020. Good afternoon, as we say by this time in Sweden. Look at the openings and how high they went, and look now. Okay, we'll look at Aurora for that. I feel like alkaline water is going to come down again. We're at 343. We're up 1 cent. And we'll see. I do think this is a fake rally today. I'm not buying into this rally just as of yet. ISO Diol 360 risk. Oh, wow. In the green, my goodness. 201 on Aphria Health. Up 3.6%. Yeah, I do think the market's unstable. I have a quick question. I have a quick question for Doug, since you own a couple shares of Tilt Holdings. What's your price target for Tilt Holdings? We do need that China deal ASAP. But that's like, I feel like that's the last ammunition the market has in terms of good news, and that's why they're stretching it out for so long. They need to constantly update us on those trade war positive news regarding the trade war. They need to drag it out because it's like the only thing that can prop up the markets. Okay, so you're a long-term holder on Tilt Holdings. Why is water on your weed watch list? Because they're looking to get into CBDs. Well, I think they're already in CBDs. I group CBDs and that stuff together. And weed. Yep. Yep. Just like NBEV. Like water and NBEV are the two stocks that I've added to my cannabis watch list. Shoot though, RNX back down to 54 cents. The rally did not stay at all. Good sell, Max. Yeah, I think you're right, man. 51 cents. RNX is looking interesting. I want to pick up a little bit of RNX too. I'm tempted to pick up a little bit of RNX. SCNA. SCNA, let's do this. So Dougie, you're bullish on FSD, eh? Short term. Are we gonna start to see higher lows? Tilt going to 6. What's your price target for FSD Pharma? Because this is one that I would potentially add to as well. Especially if we're at 22 cents, that looks like it's at right now. And close off IMG. $20.35. Oh my. Let's see what else we got here. Copper. Copper's doing fairly decent today. First Quantum Minerals, London Mining, Turquoise Hill, flat. Stock up on FSD. That's what we say. Savary Corporation, biggest gainer today in our defensive portfolio, followed by Brookfield Real Estate. Northwest Healthcare Properties continuing to go up. What I like to see. That's my number one long-term pick right now. Oh no. I just closed the portfolio. FSD 2020. It's only 9 months away. Almost 8. Okay. Crazy people outside. Crazy people outside. Alrighty, here we go. Stocks for 2019. So, Hexo having a nice green day. MI Nutraceuticals, Aphria Health. What's in the red today, though? IQ, First Mining Gold, Alamos Gold, Barrick Gold. This song's annoying. Cobra Ontario depends on FSD. Yes, sir. I love Northwest Healthcare Properties. That's been the one stock that I've bought the most of over the past couple days. Sorry, over the past 3 months. I started buying at $10. Been loading the boat. Right, somewhere right in and around here, like 10.30, I would say. But longer term, I mean, this thing still is like, it was yielding. Geez, what was this thing yielding when I was starting to stock up? Almost 8%, if not over 8%, I believe. Something like that. But I'm really feeling Northwest Healthcare. Let's just quickly take a look and see. And I feel like we're just starting to break out here. I think that it could still see a couple bucks in the cards. I'm okay with that steady little 0.5% to 1% gain, maybe 0.25%. Slow mover, but as long as it keeps going up. Got to be up at least 20% on it by now. 20%. Did you read up on MedMen? What's up, Remy Red? I didn't read up on MedMen. Let's take a look at the news, though. So that's it for that one. That's it for our safe stock of the day. This song, what the hell? Alkaline Water, up 0.88% to 345. I don't know if the rally's going to hold on today, guys. I hope it. I'm a bear, so I hope it doesn't. And if you're talking about the $250 million that they got, it's definitely a positive. Looks pretty good, though. All right, we'll take a look now. How long has this stock been trading for? 20. Oh, okay, so it IPO'd recently, March 20th. That's good, DG stocks. I mean, holy crap. Big gains today. Feel free to tell me something about the company. Here we go, smartcannabis.com. We'll take a look at their website. The Smart app. Greenhouse control. That's cool. California. It's traded OTC. Yeah. Yeah, nice call, DG. Honestly, man, why don't you make a channel? I'll support you. I support other channels. The hardest part is being consistent. That's all it comes down to with YouTube. For the most part. For the most part, it's just being consistent, gauging your audience, taking shots of tea. See, that is really strong tea. This is my backup tea for after 10:30. If I get tired. Take a few sips of this stuff and holy, back in the game. I know. Sleep is very important. Sleep's very important when it comes to working out. I always need to get more sleep. I agree. It's all about growing. That's actually a great question. Sorry, I should have covered that. Kronos earnings. So let's do that right now. I didn't see Kronos fall a lot though, so here we go. We'll read the article for Kronos. I'm so happy today. I only need to shoot like one or two videos, and then I just need to edit all day. It's editing all day today. Kronos Group revenue Q4 grows 248% to 5.6 million. Closed $2.4 billion strategic growth investment from Aphria Group. Completed its first Harvest and Peace Naturals expansion to Building 4. Launched 2 recreational brands, Cove and Spinach. Announced landmark partnership with Ginkgo Bioworks. Became the first pure play cannabis company to list on a major U.S. exchange. Announced its financial results for the 4th quarter and full year ended December 31st. This was put out 7:45 a.m. March 26th. So this is. We are proud of all we have accomplished in 2018 and in the 4th quarter over the past year. Kronos Group has diligently focused on our strategic objectives, which culminated in our transformative partnership with Aphria Group. Excuse me, guys. Let me know if you want me to stream the conference call. We've expanded our production footprint domestically and internationally, developed our distribution with global partnerships, launched iconic brands for the Canadian adult use market, and grown our IP portfolio and landmark research and development initiatives. So, the rest of it's here. We can take a look how the stock performed so far today, but I didn't see much of a move. We'll look real quick though. We're selling off 4.5%, so that's something substantial. I saw it down 2% when it opened though, so Cron's actually starting to sell off. See, we opened at, yeah, Cron's selling off pretty hard. We opened at 27.80. Let's check the days range. Let's listen to some music together. FFT. Sorry about the music, man. I'd be playing all my favorite songs if it wasn't copyrighted. That's funny. I can turn it down if you want though. You know what's crazy though, guys? Oh my gosh, I haven't posted something yet. So what is that? Let's get this going. Let's get this going. All right. Shoot, guys. Check. I'm back from the grave. What up to Barcher? So what's up, Jacob? Link to the Discord group is now in the chat, so feel free to click on that if you haven't joined the Discord group yet. Did we hit 400 people yet? 33 plus 368. Yes, we did. Yes. Happy to see, guys. We're at 401. We're at 401 people. Discord link, yes sir. What's up? What's up, Tom? So, we finally made it to 400 members. Oh, we got 402. What's up, Swatsy? Joined your Discord, homie. Thank you so much. AV1. Leafy Health is continuing its nice little rally. What's up, Norbert? Thanks for tuning in, man. I appreciate it. This is another interesting one. Saveri Corporation. I know you guys, it's not cannabis, but I think it's gonna do well. Water 345. Water is treading water around 340, and As soon as I get off this live stream, I'm going into my portfolio and I'm going to see what I can sell. See what I can sell to pick this bad boy up. I gotta take some kind of position, or else I'm just a talker. Believe in Tesla and went for 200 shares. Medman has been doing well too. It's so hard. I think I'd take profit on Medman before I would take profit on Tilt. Probably hold Tilt long term. Most of my picks are for the long term. Yeah, 200 shares of Tesla. That's big money. Let's see what happens with the market. Everybody did say the S&P 500 was going to pull back around 10:30. So is that what's happening? When the traders realized that the markets were pushed up on no news. There's been a lot of talk about Tesla around 250. I think we could get some kind of technical bounce if the markets don't plunge. So might not be a bad idea. Tesla looks, a lot of traders are going to look at Tesla at 250, so. Next. Yeah, S&P is like so undecided right now. I don't know what to say for it right now. Yep, there's two stocks on my watch list. Aleafia Health and Water, Alkaline Water Company. Those are the two companies that I'm really, really looking to buy. I want to see a late day dump though. That would be awesome. See the market sell off late into the day. Honestly, I'm pretty sure we get GDP this week. Let me check if we get GDP this week. I already think that some parts of Canada are in a recession. I mean, we've got 0.1% GDP growth. That's almost non-existent. But our economy is weird. Our economy has pockets that are still doing good, and there are other areas that are crap. But that's like a bunch of countries, most countries. Sorry, I just want to look at this real quick. That is true, the safe banking bill. We'll see what happens if it can get pushed through. Let's see, where is Canada GDP? French GDP. France is growing by 1%. US GDP expected 2.4 to 2.6%. Spain's growing by 0.7%. Man, look at this. Canada GDP month over month for January, 0.1%. Year over year, we're looking at 1.1%. We'll see what happens. We're growing by 0.0%, 0.01% per month. Thanks, guys. Oh yeah, shoot, I forgot to say. Thank you everybody for supporting me. Just hit 13K subscribers. I didn't even like, I'm not trying to brag. I just wanted to say thanks. I think we're at 16 now. Cool. Thank you, guys. Good morning, Scott. Good luck on the markets. What else was I doing? Yeah, so. Most active stocks by volume. AMD, Bed Bath and Beyond. Whatevs. Cron's down 4.48%. IQ, Roku, New Mount Mining. Tesla up 2.8%. Biogen. Looking up plus. So I'll do a live stream at like 1:50 again. I'll jump on at 1:55, but I'll schedule it for 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so we can. That's awesome, Doug. I love to hear that. I love to hear that. Thank you, sir. I guess you've come to terms with your wife that I'm in the home now. So that's so nice of you. Okay. Excuse me. Such a nice guy, Doug. All right. There's not too much else to look at on the day, guys. Honestly, today's a good day. Today's a green day, but not that green for the cannabis sector. Whoa, Star Maker 9. I really appreciate that super chat. That came out of nowhere. Thank you so much, Sammy. That's awesome. I'm gonna screenshot that, if you don't mind. Get posted on my Instagram. Just as that's awesome. Let's hit the cash button for Sammy. Let me know if there's anything else I can do for you, sir. I'm gonna spill my tea. But yeah. Big shout out to Sammy for the super chat and being so nice. All right. So here's something we can do, guys. Let's take some requests. We'll just talk about some other different stocks. What are you guys looking at today? What are you guys looking at buying? What charts do you want to look at? All that kind of stuff. Let me know what you want to see. All right, Rob was the first guy. TRST. Can't trust. I would love to look at Suniva, as we own it too. So let's see. First stock we'll take a look at is TRST. Ianthus. Okay, we'll look at Ianthus. But yeah, CanTrust has held on pretty well after being listed on the NYSE. It's almost back to its highs. Did manage to make higher highs. Hopefully the stock can continue that uptrend. It does look like it's still in an uptrend. I feel like we definitely ran into some resistance in this level, $12.50 to about $13, but yeah, CanTrust could be on its way to new all-time highs. Charts look pretty good for CanTrust, but the only problem is at this point I wouldn't be a buyer, just as the stocks ran so much. That's a nice steady uptrend. I feel like we could see a couple more bucks in the cards, but ideally I like to buy the valleys, not the peaks. So yeah, TRSC. Awesome stock though. TRST's always been good. Suniva, 492. Suniva's been very slow moving, bouncing above and below $5. I've added around 450, 520, $5. So I'm essentially flat on Saniva. I don't mind the fact that it's kind of leveling out. I just hope it doesn't sell off again, excuse me. But I like Saniva as it's a play on the US market. And it still looks relatively cheap right now. Song's lame. All right. Give me 1 second. I just want to, yes, we'll look at water in 1 second. Just want to give a quick shout out to Sammy. Oh shoot. This is just for Instagram, sorry guys. Just want to give a quick shout out to Sammy. Congrats on 13K, appreciate it. There we go. I like these story posts. Let's do the one emoji where we go like this. Thanks. Yes, sir. Cool. VFF. Loan, water. All right. So, let's take a look at those now. Next. Oh, this song's okay. Well, it sounded okay. Water's at 345. Kronos report fourth quarter loss of 5.6 million. Excuse me. Sell MedMen and buy water. That's a tough one. I wouldn't sell. Yeah, no. Okay, Ramdad, I'll take a look at that. Sorry, buddy. I'm definitely not going to sell all of MedMen. MedMen is it is in the green now though. I believe my average is about $4. So not too bad. I do like water around 340. I must admit, like this is where I wanted to buy it for a long time. So I got to do something today. I got to buy some of it. Yeah, I'll let you guys know what I do in the afternoon stream. I usually stream for an hour and don't make trades. Unless I know I've got cash sitting there. But I'll have to actually sell something today. So we'll see what's up. Ianthus, that's right. Ianthus was the next one that we were taking a look at. Don't worry. And then we'll take a look at Plus. Ianthus is the one stock that I also do want to own because it's they own MPX Bioceuticals. Yeah, don't worry. I didn't really plan to sell MedMen to buy water. I don't really want to sell Oxley either. I'm up on Oxley now. So charts look pretty good right now for Ianthus though. Although I do feel like it is closer to its 52-week high, which is the only thing I don't like. I like water because it's got exposure to the CBD beverage market. There's not that many companies out there where you can get exposure to the CBD market, and it's just like I want to be somewhat exposed to that. I mean, you can obviously take a look at NBev. NBev is, I believe NBev's in the green today. NBev's at 546, so $397 million market cap. Water is, let's see what water is at. $135 million market cap. So essentially, I just want to add exposure to the CBD beverage market because I have zero exposure to CBD beverage. And I feel like it really will be good. Look at Rockstar, look at Red Bull, look at Monster. Hold it. Yeah, so I mean, I know exactly why I bought Oxy. I bought Oxy for their business model. They're a streamer, and I feel like they're going to be the silver Wheaton or Wheaton precious metals of the cannabis sector. So that's why I like Oxy 100%. So then it comes down to what do I sell. We'll see. I'll let you guys know what I sell. Some heavy tats you have on chest and back, brother. I've got my angel. Wait a sec. This one's my angel. CXXI. Sell your ACB. I don't know about that. Yes, C21 Investments. This stock looks like it's due for a pullback. It looks like a 48 north, 48 south. I think you're right about ACB. That's funny. Wow, oh my gosh, guys. 90 likes. You guys just keep hitting the like button. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Didn't even ask for likes. I used to beg for likes. The next tat's gonna be a Aurora symbol right here. Just kidding. I don't know. I don't really have any plans to get any more tats, but no real plans to get any new tats. Friggin' hell, eh? Goldcorp, Barrick already in the green. Kinross, Alamos getting ready to go green. We're getting ready to go green on gold. You've asked it so many times, man. I'm so sorry. No, let's take a look at Plus. Sorry, James. Momentum picking up on SCNA. Leafy Health is up 11 cents. Quick question for James. Just as I'm not trying to ignore you. Is that this company that we're looking at, E+? I'll give you a sec. Okay. Canadian Plus. Canadian Plus. Let's go. Plus Products, Class A. What in the heck? Yes, sir. Okay. This music sucks. Plus Products. Okay, let's see. Never looked at this company before, but let's take a look. It's up 8.32%. Is a cannabis-infused products maker. The company operates through its subsidiary Carberry LLC. Cannabis-infused edibles. It offers infused gummy candies under 6 SKUs: sour watermelon, rainbow sorbet. It offers its product under the brand name Plus. adult use recreational market. Facility in Southern California, US. That's pretty cool. So, trading for $5.99. Let's take a quick look at the overview. $134 million market cap. Wow, it's a pretty big company. I've actually never tried edibles, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I've never tried them. I'm a big wimp. Chart looks decent. Although maybe 560. Smoke cure leaf, eat edibles. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm a little scared about edibles. If I ever did edibles and I went on live stream, I feel like I would just be like, I would be live streaming for like 5 hours not talking, and I'd just be like looking at all the different charts, not talking to you guys. Don't be nervous as long as it's medical. Hello, will you buy will you buy if the price drops below $9? I'm gonna assume that's for ACB. And that's a yes. That's a yes if ACB went below $9, but I just, oh man, I don't think we're gonna see ACB go that low again unless the market super tanks, like with that Nelson Peltz on the board. I feel like that's some baked in. It's almost like having an investment deal without actually having an investment deal. I just don't think he's gonna let it go that low, just as he's got all those options to buy stock at $10. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. ACB's back to the slow mover that it is. I haven't looked at Alcanna for a while. Someone told me they cut their dividend. I didn't check into it. Dividends. It says the dividend's 5.75%. Does anyone know if that's still there? Because someone told me that they were going to cut their dividend. Let's see. Termination of quarterly cash dividend, December 13, 2018. Announced to eliminate its quarterly cash dividend effective immediately. Company's dividend reinvestment plan will also be terminated. That was in December 2018. So, yeah. When was that? That's a big change to the stock. I just want to see the exact day. That's got to be where they cut their dividend. 12th and then back to the 13th is when it... Yep. That's why it tanked so much. But if you bought it at $4, I mean, it's at $5.59 right now. Man, I sold friggin' Alcanna at $10. Like, I got lucky. I bought it at 9 something and sold at 10. I was like, I'm out of here. I escaped the bloodbath. But I think now Alcanna might be an interesting one to look at. Go, let's go. All right, guys. So we've got some breaking news from the newsroom. We're gonna jump over to our newsroom. What's up, guys? Time to buy up some water. Get in, guys. Look at this. Conference call beginning with GHHC CEO estimated time. Rally equals midday. Let's see what we got here. All right, so if you guys were in the Discord group, you'd know what's going on. But I'm going to post that link one more time. just in case you guys didn't join the group yet. So we're going to recap a few things. All right, I'll take a look at VFF for you since you asked a bunch of times. And I'm just blabbering. Tea's almost done too. When the tea's running low, you know it's time to go. What's this crappy song? Village Farms VFF. Didn't look at CGC for a little while. The large caps seem to be pulling back. Market's holding on to its socks right now. Up over 1%. It's really quite a joke today though. I don't know, man, about VFF. I don't know enough about the company. All I see is a huge rally. Definitely it's a tough one. Edible tomatoes. So give me 1 second here. Do a little bit more research on Village Farms. I don't know enough about the company. Like as soon as it started exploding, I started following this stock. I didn't look into it. So it's in the crop industry, consumer, non-cyclical. Is a producer, market, and distributor of greenhouse grown tomatoes, bell peppers, and cucumbers in North America. The energy business produces power that it sells per a long-term contract to its customer. Village Farms operates approximately 3 distribution centers across the U.S. and Canada. So, let your runners run. Can you touch base on Northwest Healthcare? No problem. So we'll just take a look at the charts. I mean, the stock's been doing awesome. Still yielding 6.87%. So I do think that although it has pulled up quite a bit, I mean, we've gone from it's not a lot. We've gone up from about 1050 to 1176, which is a nice move up. But I definitely think this stock still has some room to run, and it looks like starting a nice little uptrend. One thing that's reassuring though is essentially it's been going up since 2015. And over the longer term charts, I mean, it looks like we could have a couple more bucks in the cards. That's all that I really need to justify a stock that's paying 6 to 7%. So I like Northwest Healthcare. Probably going to add to it every quarter. And there was an article that came out about it. Let me just talk about this. I know this is non-cannabis related, guys, but might have been a Motley Fool article, because I know you guys love the Motley Fool. Let's just go on their website real quick and take a quick look at their portfolio. Recent news and their portfolio. So Canada, Germany, Brazil, Australia, and the Netherlands. So in Canada, 57 buildings, 4 million square feet. You can see all their different stuff. All their different buildings. Only 2 in the Netherlands. There's the quarter. Check it out. I don't know. The stock's been performing really well. I like it. Aphria. Should folks do due diligence and research when they see a stock here before buying 100% DG stocks? Always do your research. Always do your due diligence. Go on their website. Check out their investor presentation. See what you're getting yourself into. Don't buy a stock because you hear Departures Capital talking about it. If I picked all the right stocks, I probably wouldn't be live streaming right now. Off to the golf course. Have a great day, Ed. Hope you get a hole in one. Get a hole in one for me. Whereabouts are you golfing? Ed probably left already. I want to look at the Canadian chart, but we'll look at Canopy. You mean I hope you get you a hole in one. And your stocks go in the green, yes. That's two things. Stocks go in the green and you get a hole in one. Who made this song? Yeah, Canopy right now. Oh, like before. Okay, so I don't like my technical analysis is all right, but before when I was looking at Canopy, we were seeing this stock head up nicely. It was making higher lows, but we also saw some of this going on. Lower highs. Right now, what I believe is happening is we've lost some of that. We've broken out of that trading range to the downside. But I'd watch 57. We could see it sell down to 57. I think Canopy's kind of stuck right now. That does not look good technically as the stock's kind of broken out to the downside, but I feel like we're going to kind of just trade sideways. See what's happened. Big rally, consolidation, big rally. Now we're just seeing less volatility with consolidation, and then hopefully it doesn't just go into a downtrend. We'll see what happens though. I want to get two holes in one. Medman is gone. Nickel rally and drop RNX nickel. Water finally in the perfect threshold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're taking a look at water really closely today. I have to buy some. Oh, it's up 1%. $340, $350. Buy a little bit. Hope it goes down more.
Naughty, naughty, naughty.
I just want to finish off this teapot, then I'm going to head out of here. CBD after the gym. CBD after the gym. I found sometimes if I do CBD too early or too much in the day, I just feel off for like an hour. But it's a good feeling. But I just CBD and chill. Norbert's got some jokes, guys. You know what? I need a laugh button. I need a laughing button. That's the next thing. Really need a laughing button. Come on, guys. Big fart button. Nope. There's nothing on here. I'll find one later. If you guys can find a laughing button, send me that and I get it. Cow button. That'd be funny too. Moo. So guys, We are at an hour and 15 minutes here on the stream, so I quickly got to do one thing you guys already know. Link is in the chat for the Discord group, so feel free to join our group. We're over 400 people now, so let's keep it growing. And I got some videos to shoot and some editing to do, so I'm heading out. I think that's it. I'll let you guys know. I probably will buy some water today, so I gotta be a man of my word. I can't slack. Can't just talk about stuff and not do it. So we'll do two tee shots and then a hit of the cash button and we're out of here. Oh, that green tea. That green tea is so nice and subtle. Oh, that's the wrong one. All right, guys, we're gonna end this stream with the Alkaline Water Company. So, thank you for tuning in. We'll be back in the afternoon, and we'll be back. So, see you guys soon. Chat in the Discord group. I'm gonna go straight to the Discord group. So. You're not really going to lose me. You just won't have the live feed. So, see you guys soon. Oh, shoot. That's right. I should. Scott, you're right. Okay, guys. Sorry, we're not going to leave just yet. We got to do one thing. Scott's correct. Last thing. So. Just gotta let you guys know, feel free to check out the Niagara 420 Expo. I'm gonna promote this at the beginning of my streams, so we're gonna be there. We got a booth. I'll read the description one more time, and then we will head out. So Niagara Falls 420 Expo is a celebration of all things cannabis and community. This year's event is set to take place on April 420th. 20,000 square feet of all things cannabis. Educational seminars, guest speakers, manufacturers. We'll be running 2 panels, and we're there to go have some fun. So if you guys want to hang out, have some fun, check out all this stuff. It should be a blast. So just Google Niagara 420 Expo. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. And the 13K. And we'll see you guys in a couple hours. I'll schedule the stream. Peace.